The color blending element is a paid element in Embroidery Studio 4.2 and is extremely easy to use. First of all, select the object. If it has been created with the appropriate tool and fill stitch type, the color blending icon will turn red. Simply select it and you'll be presented with the color blending dialog box. Now I'm going to set it up. I'll choose the base color, a ready maroon color, and I like to fully stitch or have a constant profile for the bottom layer. You could select any of the variables, the accordion spacing variables, and select their maximum and minimum spaces if you wished. But for a base layer, I prefer to make it a solid 0.4 mm spacing. Now for the top layer, I'll choose a goldy color, and I can play with the maximum and minimum spacings for the accordion spacing and choose a profile and simply apply. And you can see the effect there. Now you'll notice in our color object list, both of the objects are grouped. So if I want to change the profile of the second one, I simply ungroup. I'll select it, and then the accordion spacing icon will be lit up in my Stitch Effects toolbar. I'll right click on that and choose another profile and change the spacing values if I wish. Once you're happy with the profile, simply hit the enter key and close the dialog box. You'll notice that the trapunto icon is alive or is selected, and this is because the trapunto effect is automatically implemented when you use the color blend tool. Thanks for watching.